Hi, and welcome to this video on the top side hustles for students in 2023. As a student, you have the opportunity to earn extra income while also gaining valuable skills and experience. So let's take a look at some of the most popular and lucrative side hustles for students in 2023. Freelancing is a great option for students who are looking to earn extra income while also gaining experience in a specific field. Whether you have skills in graphic design, writing, or coding, there are plenty of freelance opportunities available online. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Selling products online is another popular side hustle for students. With platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay, it's easier than ever to start an online store and reach a global audience. Whether you are selling handmade products, vintage finds, or digital products, there's a market for just about anything. Tutoring is a great option for students who are knowledgeable in a specific subject. Whether it's a school subject, a musical instrument, or a language, you can offer your services to others and earn extra income. You can find tutoring opportunities through local classified ads, online tutoring platforms, or even by reaching out to classmates or friends. Pet sitting or dog walking is another side hustle that's perfect for students. Not only will you get to spend time with animals, but you'll also earn extra income while doing something you love. You can find pet sitting or dog walking opportunities through local classified ads, pet sitting apps, or by reaching out to friends and family. So there you have it, the top side hustles for students in 2023. Whether you are looking to earn extra income, gain experience, or just have some fun, there's a side hustle out there for you. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your side hustle journey.